Let's try a quick experiment to feel your own energy. Find a comfortable seat and take a deep breath. Rub your hands together briskly for about 20 seconds. Feel the warmth and tingling in your palms. Stop rubbing and hold your hands 6 inches apart, palms facing. Slowly move your hands closer and farther apart. Notice any warmth, tingling, or gentle pressure between them. That sensation is your life force energy, real and tangible. Play with the feeling, as if shaping a soft ball of energy. This energy flows through your entire body, keeping you vibrant. Healers across cultures have worked with this same energy for centuries. You just experienced it firsthand. This is your starting point. Proof from your own senses. Remember this feeling. It's your reminder of your energetic nature. You don't need to believe anyone else. Just trust what you felt. This is the first step in understanding your own power. You are a being of energy, full of potential. Keep this sensation in mind as we continue. You've opened a door to a new way of seeing yourself. Let's explore what this energy means for your health and life. You're ready for the next step. Let's begin. I wasn't always a believer in energy work. Raised to trust only what I could see and prove, I dismissed energy healing as fantasy. That changed when a health crisis left me desperate for answers. Conventional medicine couldn't help, so I reluctantly tried an energy healer. I expected nothing but terdium. But during the session, I felt warmth, tingling, and a deep peace. Afterward, I felt lighter and slept better than I had in months. My skepticism cracked. I returned for more sessions and kept improving. I started reading, practicing, and feeling energy in my own body. My direct experience transformed me from skeptic to advocate. I realized this isn't magic. It's a natural part of being human. Energy is real and anyone can learn to work with it. My journey began with doubt, but experience changed everything. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. The power to heal and transform is within you. All it takes is openness and curiosity. Let your own experience guide you. Energy work is for everyone, not just a chosen few. You're already on the path. What exactly is this energy? Science tells us everything is made of vibrating energy. Your body, the air, even your thoughts. Your heart and brain generate measurable electromagnetic fields. Ancient cultures called this energy chi, ki, prana, ka, or mana. They all describe a vital force that flows through and around us. Think of it like electricity, okay? When it flows, everything works. When blocked, problems arise. Energy work restores this natural flow and balance. Science and ancient wisdom are two ways of describing the same reality. You are a dynamic river of energy, not just a physical body. Understanding this unlocks your power to heal and transform. You can learn to guide your energy for better health and well-being. This is the foundation of energy work. Let's see how you can use it. Working with energy isn't a rare gift, it's your birthright. Everyone is made of energy and can influence it. You proved this with the hand exercise. Like muscles, your energy awareness grows with practice. At first, sensations may be subtle, but they strengthen over time. No special tools or gurus needed, just your body and attention. Your intention is your most powerful tool. Where you focus, your energy flows. You've always been an energy being. Now you're becoming aware of it. Every thought and emotion ripples through your energy field. Learning these techniques lets you shape those ripples consciously. This isn't about adding something new. It's about remembering your true nature. You are powerful, vibrant, and full of potential. Let's keep building your awareness. Your energy system has two key parts, the aura and the chakras. Your aura is a bubble of energy around you, reflecting your physical and emotional state. When you're happy, it's bright. When stressed, it contracts. Ever felt uncomfortable when someone stands too close? That's your aura sensing intrusion. Chakras are spinning energy centers along your spine. There are 7 main chakras, each linked to different aspects of your life. Open, balanced chakras mean smooth energy flow and well-being. Blocked chakras can affect your health and emotions. Learning to balance your aura and chakras supports your overall vitality. Think of it as energetic hygiene. Let's explore how to feel and work with these energies. Ready to feel more energy? Here are 3 simple exercises. First, the energy ball. Rub your hands, hold them apart, and imagine a glowing ball between them. Shape it, sense its density, and play with color. Second, the body scan. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes and bring attention to each body part from toes upward. Notice any tingling or warmth. Third, the aura feel. Hold one hand palm up and slowly lower your other hand toward it. Notice any change in sensation. That's your aura. Don't worry if you don't feel much at first. Sensitivity grows with practice. Be patient and playful. Treat it as a game of discovery. Each sensation is a message from your energy body. Practice regularly to strengthen your awareness. There's no right or wrong, just your unique experience. Celebrate every small shift. These exercises are your entry point to energy work. Explore, experiment, and enjoy the process. Your energy body is always communicating. Learn to listen. The more you practice, the clearer it becomes. Let's keep going. You're doing great. Once you can feel energy, you can work with it daily. 4 essential practices: grounding, centering, clearing, and protection. Grounding. Stand with feet flat. Imagine roots growing into the earth and draw up calming energy. Centering. Place hands on your lower belly. Breathe deeply and gather your energy at your core. Clearing. Sweep your hands through your aura from head to feet, flicking away any dense energy. Protection. Visualize a bubble of light around you, allowing in positivity and blocking negativity. These practices are like brushing your teeth for your energy body. Do them daily to stay balanced and resilient. You don't need special tools, just intention and imagination. Use these techniques anytime you feel stressed or drained. They help you maintain your energetic boundaries. Practice makes them second nature. Your energy is yours to care for. Start with one practice and build from there. You'll notice the difference. You might face challenges as you start energy work. Not feeling anything at first is normal. Be patient and keep practicing. Try exercises at different times of day and relax your expectations. Doubt is a big block. Stay curious and open. If you feel overwhelmed or too much energy, ground yourself immediately. Imagine roots or press the point between thumb and index finger. Feeling tired? Rest and remember to draw energy from the earth or cosmos, not just yourself. Struggling to direct energy? Use clear intention and visualization. Picture healing light flowing where you want it. Place your hands on the area to help focus energy. Practice makes it easier and more intuitive. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Remember, everyone's experience is unique. Don't judge yourself, just observe and learn. Over time, your sensitivity and skill will grow. Every challenge is part of the learning process. Keep going. You're making progress. You don't need hours. Just 10 minutes a day can shift your energy. Start your morning with 3 deep breaths and set an intention for your day. In the shower, visualize water clearing your aura and washing away stress. Before leaving home, imagine a protective bubble of light around you. During the day, if you feel stressed, do a quick centering breath at your desk. Use the comb-through technique in private to reset your energy. At night, clear your field, do a body scan, and focus on gratitude. These small rituals create big changes over time. Consistency is key. Make energy care part of your routine. Notice how your mood, focus, and resilience improve. Energy work fits into your life, not the other way around. Try these steps for a week and observe the difference. Your energy shapes your day. Start shaping it consciously. Working with your energy brings benefits to every part of your life. You may feel more vitality, better sleep, and greater resilience. Emotionally, you'll release old patterns and find more peace. Relationships improve as your energy becomes clearer and more balanced. You'll navigate life with more calm and confidence. Start with just one practice. Energy ball, grounding, or morning intention. Commit to 5 minutes a day for a week. Keep a journal of your experiences. Notice any shifts, no matter how small. This is your personal experiment and journey. Share your discoveries with a friend or in your journal. The path to an energized life is open to you. Take the first step. Your energy is waiting. Begin now.